if you take this to its logical conclusion, and we haven't had the whole world to use as a laboratory for this, obviously, thank God.
We've been able to
but in
nice cutoff.
Yeah, in
Connecticut.
settings, like this has been demonstrated, where basically when you turn up the temperature, that increases the process of cell.
Oh, you're an asshole. You're on the shoulder now. I thought that was an exit dive, but
so
no, you're even more douchey.
Is when a plant uses the
I'm glad I don't live in Connecticut no more. I have to put up with you assholes. Damn, look at him go. Let me guess, you're going to tailgate the fuck out of me now. And you're on your phone, too. Like, what the hell are you doing? Pay attention. Now I'm getting paranoid. Like, are you filming me with your phone? Because you're not exactly texting or anything. Oh, hell no, you're not going to get in front of me. I'm going to be that asshole. Oh, look, a cop when you need him, but he ain't going to do shit. What the? Oh, good, you deserve to get cut off. Good job. And I mean that sincerely.
That process speeds up, and at really high temperatures, part of how it kills plants is that.
Well, look, it's the Connecticut again.
Itself to do cellular.
Who knew?
Especially for more temperate crops like lettuce. You can imagine like baking like.
Oh, and the exit dives too.
Counter.
Wow.
It's cooked.
I don't know anything about the.
You are not smart.
Which plants are going to benefit or be harmed by more CO2?
And he's probably a Jets fan too, because that's where they're going. It's like, who the hell put? Also, stop with the games on Black Friday. Like, who the hell cares? And scheduling them the same day as the Devils game. Like, who thinks of this shit?